Hey guys, the future of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's election triumph is questionable as legal challenges to his presidency keep piling up. Tinubu's status as Nigerian's president may be in jeopardy, according to recent events. There are now two big court challenge proceedings underway that have the potential to alter Nigeria's political landscape. First of all, President Tinubu is now the target of a new case brought by the Vice President Atiku Abubakar in a U.S. court. Second, the Supreme Court has received a 10-ground appeal from the Allied People's Movement (APM) contesting Tinubu's elections victory. The APM's appeal comes as a direct response to the Presidential Election Petition Court decision that upheld Tinubu's victory following the February 25th election. It made a determined effort by the opposition party to have Tinubu's victory nullified. It is essential to record that the Presidential Election Petition Court had dismissed all petitions challenging Tinubu's election and affirmed him as the duly elected president of Nigeria. However, this decision did not deter Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, and the APM, who vowed to continue their legal battle. Atiku Abubakar took an extraordinary step by pursuing his case in the United States. He filed a lawsuit in the District Court of Northern Illinois Eastern Division, seeking an order compelling the Chicago State University to release President Tinubu's academic records. This move underscores the significance of assessing Tinubu's educational history in the ongoing legal battles. In his recent appeal to the Supreme Court, the APM, represented by its new counsel, Chukwuma Machukwu Ume, has raised serious questions about the judgment delivered by the Presidential Election Petition Court. The APM contends that the Presidential Election Petition Court made numerous legal errors in its decisions. One critical issue the APM raises is the interpretation of Section 131 and 142. One in brackets of the Nigerian Constitution. The party argued that these sections are linked and that neither can be treated solely as a pre-election matter. According to the Daily Independent newspaper, the APM's position is that these sections lay down qualifications that are essential conditions to be met by anyone aspiring to the office of president. The APM's appeal also challenges the validity of President Tinubu's election due to the absence of a lawful running mate. It asserts that Tinubu contested the presidential election without a legitimate candidate for the position of vice president. Moreover, the APM contends that the withdrawal of Ibrahim Kabiru Masiri and the expiration of the 14-day period permitted for changing, withdrawing, or replacing candidates under Section 33 of the Electoral Act 2022 rendered Tinubu's election and rerun invalid. As these legal battles continue, Nigeria faces a period of uncertainty regarding the fate of President Tinubu's presidency, the Supreme Court response to the APM's appeal, and the outcome of Atiku Abubakar's efforts to assess Tinubu's academic records in the United States will undoubtedly have a significant implications for the nation's political future. Meanwhile, in another news headline, the United States District Court in the Northern District of Illinois has made a significant decision regarding the case involving Nigerian former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and President Bola Tinubu's Chicago State University records. In a recent notification of docket entry, the court firmly stated that it will not entertain any third party or ex parte submissions. The court acknowledged the extensive email communication it had received from various third parties concerning this case. Still, it emphasized its commitment to a limited scope of review, which would focus solely on the parties' legal argument and the official records on the docket. The court recognized the public interest in the matter, but made it clear that it will not consider external submissions. The development followed Atiku's recent motion requesting the U.S. court to override Tinubu's attempt to prevent Chicago State University from releasing its academic records. Previously, Atiku had obtained an order from U.S. Magistrate Jeffrey Glibert instructing the Chicago State University to provide its legal team with Tinubu's academic document promptly. As the deadline set by the magistrate approached, Tinubu's legal team turned to the U.S. High Court seeking a review of the magistrate's decision by a district judge. This request was granted, and the magistrate's order was delayed until Monday. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.